The trap of California bar essay model answers. This applies to bar essays in other states as well. If you're preparing for the California bar essays, you've probably heard this advice many times. Identify the main issues, apply the facts properly, and reach a clear conclusion. That sounds simple enough. But then you open a model answer, and suddenly everything feels different. The model answer discusses issues you never even thought about. It cites cases you don't remember at all. It weaves the facts together into a polished, almost perfect legal argument. And at that moment, many people feel discouraged. Most bar takers are not aiming for a perfect answer. Let's take a step back. Unless you are specifically aiming for a top score or trying to write a textbook perfect essay, most people are preparing with one goal in mind: passing the exam. Passing does not require a model answer. It requires writing answers that clear the cut score. Even if you completely mess up one or two essay subjects, you can still pass as long as the remaining essays are written 1 or 2 levels above the minimum passing standard. A typical model answer is not 1 or 2 levels above the cut line. It is often 10 levels above it. So remember this: your goal is not to write a model answer. Your goal is to write a passing answer. Don't let model answers intimidate you. What about GPT and model answers? Yes, GPT can write impressive model answers. But think about it, model answers are already easy to find. Bar prep books, past exams, online resources, they're everywhere. Getting one more model answer doesn't change much. That's not where GPT's real value lies. How to use GPT the right way. Here's a better way to think about it. GPT can generate different levels of answers to the same essay prompt. You can ask GPT to write a cut score level answer, an above average answer, a top score answer. When most of us study, we usually look only at high-scoring model answers. But here's the key insight. Most people who passed the California bar did not write answers at that level. Yet they still passed. The real lesson: if you struggle to write essays that look like perfect model answers, that does not mean you're failing. It means you're human and probably right where many successful examinees were. Stop measuring yourself against answers that are far above what the exam actually requires. Focus on spotting the core issues, applying the facts logically, reaching clear, structured conclusions. That is often more than enough to pass. So don't get discouraged. And don't let model answers or GPT-generated perfection shake your confidence. Passing is the goal, not perfection.